In this tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use promo money on Prizepicks. In order to use promo money on Prizepicks, you can follow the simple steps. So first thing first, you need to apply. So for that, you need to log in into your account and go to the promo tab. The promo tab will be located in the menu bar, so you have to press the try bar icon from the top right hand side, and you could find this section. Now select the promo you want to use. Next thing you want to do is follow the in-app instruction to submit your lineup. Then you want to confirm that your promo will be applied before submitting your lineup. In order to use a referral code, you could use it in a different purpose. Now, first thing, you could use your referral code when you sign up for a Prizepicks. So enter the referral code in the promo code field. The corresponding promotion will be automatically applied. Likewise, you could also receive $50 in promo fund after submitting your first lineup of $5 or more. You could also complete the challenge to earn the promo funds, and you could win giveaways to earn promo funds, or you could also win free lineup to earn promo funds. Likewise, you could also go ahead and claim deposit bonus to earn promo funds. So this way you'll be able to use your promo funds or promo money. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.